Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you a smart lead automation system that I built using N8N, Webhook, and Airtable. This system is designed to automatically capture lead data, process it, and store it in a database without any manual work. First, let me show you the workflow inside N8N. Here, I have created a simple automation with 3 steps. The first step is a webhook, which receives incoming lead data. The second step is used to process and organize the data. And the final step stores the data in Airtable. Now I will test the system using an API tool. I'm sending a sample request with user data like name, email, company, and message. As you can see, the workflow is triggered instantly in N8N. Now let's check Airtable. Here you can see a new record has been created automatically with all the data, so the entire process is fully automated, from data capture to storage. This system helps save time, reduce manual work, and improve overall efficiency. In the future, this automation can be extended by adding email notifications, CRM integration, or AI-based responses. Thank you for watching.